What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. I've been buying a bunch of shoes recently and I decided why not do a shoe pickup / collection video featuring about 14 shoes for myself, a ton from Fernando, and a couple from Trevor. So without further ado, let's just get into it and begin with the first new shoe, and it is from ROA. This is the ROA Minar boot / sneaker. This came out about a month ago and it's a pretty unique design. It has this piece of fabric that kind of folds over the entire shoe, comes over and then buckles with this little magnet buckle at the end. What really sold me on these is the top view. I thought it looked kind of like a bandage or like a ninja shoe, but the actual shape of the shoe is pretty slim. These are made of ballistic nylon, rubberized leather, and some other rubber. Of course, these have a Visvim sole. They were also made in a different nylon and then a high top version. These are cool. They're not my favorite shoe, but I'm happy I got them. Since it is winter, I have to show you guys these Salomons. These are the Adventure 7s in the brown and tan colorway. These boots have laces on the front, this kind of strap that goes over the top of them, a zipper, and then strap on the top. These were made in a really cool gray colorway. I think they're about 10-15 years old and they're kind of hard to find, but they're not very expensive. They look pretty subtle with pants worn on top of them, but because they're old, they're definitely heavy. The technology is outdated. As you can tell, these ones are pretty destroyed, but I don't really mind. Salomon Adventure 7. The next shoe is an extremely accessible shoe. These are a pair of British Army trainers. Shout out to Viet Dung, he put me onto these. These are a $40 Visvim soled trainer. You can buy them on eBay. They're all black, they're pretty chunky and padded. They have cool design elements, and as you can see on foot, I think they actually look really good. They kind of look like McDonald's shoes, they kind of look like referee shoes, but I actually really like these, and this is a used pair, but you can buy them new. I would recommend it. I mean, you don't got much to lose. British Army trainers. This next shoe I had to include. These are the Boris Salomon Bomba 5s. This has been my daily shoe for about a month. It's one of the best Salomons and trainers that I've ever had. Yes, the dye is really nice, but also these have a really great shape. I think they form to the foot really well. There's nothing extra going on. They're lightweight, comfortable, and there's not much signs of wear on these either, so hopefully they keep holding up. I really want to get the Speedcross 1X, but I can't find a listing. If anyone has one, hit me up, I will buy them. Salomon Boris Bomba 5. The next item is not a pair of shoes, it is a hat that I made. It is the nylon S cap. I teased this during the summer and it just got done with production. It's an 100% polyamide hat and it has this mask bit that is detachable. The hat itself has a black print on the front, a buckle and strap back, and a little hidden pocket on the top. The material has a matte finish, it has tape seams on the inside, and this is just my personal favorite fitting baseball cap. At this point in the video, we're gonna cut to Fernando. He's got a lot of shoes, so let's cut to that.
Sneaker or boot?
Shoes.
What does that mean? Starting off with the recent sneaker cop. Cause I'm a sneakerhead. I got the composite, still factory laced. Foams are just like the most comfortable sneakers, to be honest. If you never tried a pair, you gotta try them. You have to get the collab version, obviously. All right, now we got the predecessor, OG triple blacks, the pre-comb foams. These are cracking, my shank is splitting, my toes are talking. So I've definitely been rocking these a lot. Shout out to Penny Hardaway, I need the foam plug. I need my own colorway. Blistered Lamb Rick Dunks. These are classics. I've worn these a total of 0 times. Honestly, the Blistered Lamb's like my favorite iteration of them. These are my first pair of combat boots from 2015. They're the Saint Laurent padded collar combat boots. The leather's way too dried out. No lug in them left. Next up, got the 1 of 25 Kang Yuk Reeboks. These are made out of scraps of the airbag nylon that they use. Very lucky to find my size. They only release at the Dover Street Market in London. Wearing these is really ass. The laces only go up to the midfoot. I don't know how your foot's supposed to stay in this huge gap. They're great grocery store shoes. Next, my Guidi 998. This is the first pair of back zips I got. They're the 988V model. These are in just a normal full grain horse. I wore these for a long time, but I haven't worn them since. These are also drying out, so if I wear them, the leather will split, so I gotta get a few of my shoes taken to the cobbler to get hydrated. Salomon X11 by BBS, the overdyed gray colorway. I think I got these like a year and a half ago, way before Jacob. I got these for like $350. At the time, I thought I got taxed, but now they're going for like, what, $5, $6? The soles are cooked, super creased, but I just work out in these now. We got the big ass Beetle Bozo boots, the Beetle Bozo tractor boots in the pony hair. I have worn these 0 times. I honestly would wear them if they were a size 42. So if anyone's trying to trade, look at the size comparison. Bro, look at that. Yeah. The best boot of all time. This is the Guidi 7/9 feet Cordovan Kant. The best boot ever made. I just bought 2 more pairs of these and I cooked these. Like the sole is so done on these. The leather laces are about to split. All right, next up, the 2 most recent purchases. The Guidi 20 Trekker boots. These are in full grain horse. Little nice winter hiking boot if I ever need to hike. Lastly, I have my ultimate favorite boot probably ever made, and I don't want to tell anyone what it is, so if you know, keep it to yourself, because we love gatekeeping. Full Cordovan duck boots, no rubber, super slim silhouette. Got the Vibram lugged sole. Just look at that texture. Cordovan, nothing like it. Honestly, the best duck boots probably ever made in existence.
You got a lot of shoes here, and you did a great job. Thank you for carrying
I did a great job spending money. This is probably my favorite shoe in the collection. So if anyone has more triple black foams, sell me them. I just need them.
Normalize getting taxed. Welcome back, everybody. It's time to go through a couple strange shoes that I have in my collection. They're unconventional. I don't wear them all the time. First one up is the New Balance Snow Peak. Mesh body, zipper on the front. These are convertible from a clog or a high top. I used to like the clog version more, but I've kind of grown to like the high top. They're pretty lightweight. They're good for climbing. I think the modular back part is pretty cool as well. Right here, we have the Salomon Snow Clogs. Now, this is a vintage pair. You can get these for around $100, and they come in a couple colorways. They have an aggressive sole and this kind of simple nubuck suede upper. If you live somewhere where it snows, these might be nice for you. And next we have the non-native Asics Gore-Tex boot sneaker. These have a chunky sole and the upper is basically a formless piece of fabric with a lacing system that goes all around it. These look really cool, especially on foot. They're pretty tricky to wear and I don't wear them a whole lot, but they're nice and lightweight. They're a cool design. They're waterproof and they're actually surprisingly easy to get on and off. I'm gonna run through a couple sandals quickly. First pair up is my favorite. These are the Owens Arizona Berks in just the black leather colorway. Super clean shoe, nice quality leather. They hold up well. They have the extra eyelets. I really only wear these inside, but you could definitely wear them outside. And they look good with shorts and pants. One of the best sandals I have. Next up, we got another pair of indoor shoes. These are a pair of Balenciaga Platforms. They're made of a really plush leather, super comfortable. Got a little Balenciaga logo on the back. And in my opinion, these only really look good with sweatpants. They give you about 2 inches of height, and like I said, they're just really buttery and comfortable. Finally, gotta include the Visvim Christos, tried and true. These are pretty much destroyed. Vibram sole, ballistic nylon upper, and I'm probably gonna get these in black eventually. Next up, we got 2 boots from Ground Cover. These are sustainably made boots. This pair here is made of a pineapple leather. It's one of the most unique materials I've ever felt. It has this vintage black color to it. It's a rigid, textured material. It's on a heavy lug sole. These are my most worn combat boots. And this other pair I got more recently is made of a cactus leather. It's more like traditional leather. It has a light pebble to it. These also have a coffee ground outsole, which is chalky and has little black speckling on it. This pair is a little more heavy on the toe. Big thank you to Ground Cover, big thank you to Avery. We will end the video with my 2 most boring shoes. The first pair is from UFOs and Soloist. These are kind of for the beach. They only work with bare feet, but they're really comfortable. And then these are the Salomon XT Quests. Really great model of Salomon. These have a little bit of life left in them, but you can tell they're really beat up. When they're new, they're really crispy. This is one of my favorite base model Salomons. I've gotten tons of wear out of these. It's probably time to get a new pair. This has been my shoe collection. I don't have the craziest shoe collection. It's a lot of black, but these are the shoes that I actually wear. If you guys enjoyed it, if you have any suggestions, please let me know. I have a pickups video on the way that should be pretty long, maybe even 2 parts. I love you guys. Appreciate you guys for watching. I will see you very soon in the next one. Until then, peace out everybody and take care.
I need another pair in case I like them too much.
True.
You want me to not put these?
Nah. We got some options here. Okay, you made it to the end of the video. This is a Trevor Gorji Easter egg.
I wear the same shoes every day. I make shoes, so usually I'm like testing. These are the Fats, Fugazi Army Trainer. They're really puffy. Stash pocket, shout out to Chad Muska. All around fat shoe. We got these. Don't be surprised if Teddy Boy brings these back. These are the Next what is that, 550? These are the 1500. I wear these like almost every day. Rick Owens, Birkenstock. Been walking around downtown. Flap is too long. They're getting pretty grimy. They probably got some feces on there. Then we got the, they're just Vans. I wear all types of different Vans.
All right, this is the last thing that people are gonna see. Do you want to say a sign out to the 50% people that are still watching?
Merry Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving Eve. Jacob's gonna book his flight now and go.
For Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
You gotta say Happy Cyber Monday.
Oh. Peace.